Alright, we're about to produce Dettol. I'll be teaching you in many ways to do produce chemicals such as Dettol and other things. Now we are doing Dettol. I'm here to produce just 2 liters of Dettol. And Dettol, we have 2 ways of making Dettol. You can use methanol to do it, and you can also use isopropyl alcohol. But now I'm using methanol. The only difference between methanol and isopropyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, you have to add water to it, but the methanol, you don't add any single water to it. Now watch me. This is coenzanol. This is the first thing. 100 ml of coenzanol. So this is pesapon. 100 gram. After putting the pesapon, you start stirring it. As you can see, the pesapon is not dissolving, so I need to add phenol so that it will dissolve. Let me add the phenol. So don't add like 30 ml, okay, for the 2-liter measurement. As the pesapon is dissolving, I have to introduce my pine oil. Like 200 ml of pine oil. Add your pine oil. Then add your methanol. Add your methanol. As you can see, the test upon everything has dissolved inside. Add your methanol. As you can see, after putting the methanol, the next thing is the color. The color of the Dettol, just a little. Just little. As you can see, the Dettol still need color. The Dettol still need color, you still add more. If the color is not okay, but you can still add color to your taste. You can still add more colors to your taste. But like this is okay by me. As you can see, the Dettol is now okay. I see it, the Dettol now is very, very okay. As you can see, we want to test the Dettol. Work very well. You see the whitish something, which is this to show you that the Dettol is very, very okay. Remember, our chemical that we use is chlorhexanol, diazepam, phenol, phenol, and methanol with color. If you are using isopropyl alcohol, which is you use chlorhexanol, diazepam, phenol, phenol, and you add your water before the isopropyl before color. Thanks. You do have a nice day. Subscribe, share, and like our channel. Remember blessed.